My smartwatch strap was broken, so I have ordered one from Amazon. This one is a replacement strap which is quite cheap. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. This strap is made with silicone. The company's name is Adamo. They are the makers of soft silicone wristbands. This smartwatch strap wasn't available on official store of the company. So changing a strap is relatively simple process and takes just a few steps. First, you have to remove the existing strap. You can do that by pressing down the small button you can see on the underside. Then you have to pull out the strap. It is easy and quick to install the watch band to the watch. Simply slide it into place until you hear the click. So that's how now it's accurately and firmly locked, and now I can use this watch. Before ordering, make sure that the strap is compatible with your model. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe.